2012 Honda Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, ABS four-wheel, cruise control, auto-off headlights, power door locks, power windows, security package, security system, child-proof rear door locks, side curtain airbag, daytime running lights, outside temperature gauge, brake assist, vehicle stability assist, ventilated front disc brakes, power mirrors, variable speed intermittent wipers, map lights, privacy glass, drive-by-wire throttle. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.